everyone, welcome back. Now after your maths and English class, we are going to begin our today's EVS class. In EVS, we have learnt about 2 seasons. So, can anyone tell me which are those 2 seasons we have learnt about? Ma'am has shown you the things we use, food we eat. Yes, we have learnt about summer season and rainy season. So what is summer season? गर्मियों का मौसम, when there is very hot outside, हमें घर में रहना अच्छा लगता है. We prefer being at home. We enjoy ice creams, shakes, watermelon, cucumber, muskmelon, mangoes, isn't it? So this is what we enjoy eating in summer season. When we talk of rainy season, what all things we enjoy? We enjoy eating pakoras, having tea, then corn cobs, bhutte khana bahut acha lagta hai, isn't it? In summers we enjoy swimming, हमें pool में रहना, beaches में खेलना अच्छा लगता है. In rainy season what we do? We make paper boats, we row them in water, isn't it? So today what are we going to do? We are going to have a revision of the topic where we will revise both the seasons together, summer season and rainy season. And after that, I am going to ask you some questions and you are going to reply them to me. Clear everyone? So then, let's begin and see what are the things we enjoy in summer season and rainy season. Let's begin there. So class, now let's begin and understand once again about rainy and summer season. Which season is this? Identify the picture. A girl having umbrella, some water drops falling down. Rainy season, yes, when the rain is coming. So when the rain comes and we have a sunshine also, what we can see in the sky? It's a rainbow, a band of 7 colors. We don't know, हमें नहीं पता कहाँ से शुरू होता है, कहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है, but we can see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. When we have rain and sun together, we see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Things we use in rainy season. So when it is raining outside, what are the different things we use? We use umbrella, raincoat, gum boots. Why? To protect ourselves from rain. देखो बारिश में भीगना मज़ा भी आता है, but every time it's not good. हम बीमार पड़ सकते हैं, cold हो जाएगा, fever हो जाएगा, isn't it? So we use things like umbrella, we have raincoat, we have gum boots. We use these things and protect us from getting wet. गीले होने से बच जाते हैं और फिर हम बीमार भी नहीं होते. We don't fall sick. Wow, yum yum. So what are these? Yummy, yummy things that we enjoy eating in rainy season. We have corn cob, bhutta, and it's roasted one. इसको गैस पे या चारकोल पे रोस्ट करते हैं. Then we have a cup of tea. Someone like a cup of coffee. Somebody likes to have hot chocolate in rainy season. And favorite of everyone, what's this? Yummy pakoras. We all love eating pakoras. And these pakoras, we call them fritters also. They are made of different things, potatoes, onion, chili, capsicum, paneer. We can use so many things and make different varieties of pakoras in rainy season. Then what we do? We enjoy making paper boats and throwing them in water, isn't it? घर के बाहर जब पानी भर जाता है तो क्या करते हैं? हम न्यूज़पेपर लेते हैं, ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर्स, we make paper boats, we make boats with them and ये देखो पानी में छोड़ देते हैं. Isn't it fun? I used to do a lot. बहुत मज़ा आता है इसको करने में. Try once. जब बहुत तेज़ रेन हो रही हो and you have lot of water outside your home. Can you see this girl? उसके घर के बाहर कितना पानी भर गया. So what she did, she made few paper boats. उसने don't use fresh paper, don't waste them. You can use old newspapers, make paper boat and throw them in water. Then, which is the next season we have? A season in which we enjoy playing on the beach, we enjoy being in the swimming pool, we wear light cotton clothes. Summer season, yes, we are talking about summer season now. So, what type of clothes we wear in summer season? We wear light cotton clothes. हल्के हल्के जो कॉटन के क्लोथ्स होते हैं वो पहनते हैं. Why? Because that keeps us cool. वो हमें गर्मी नहीं लगने देते. अब अगर आप समर्स में if you will wear your woolen clothes, will that be possible? No, we cannot wear woolen clothes. अब ऊनी कपड़े जो हमारे विंटर्स में स्वेटर्स पहनते हैं वो समर में तो नहीं पहन सकते. So we prefer wearing cotton clothes, bright कलर के जो लाइट कलर्स होते हैं, so that हमारी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रहे. क्योंकि जो कॉटन के क्लोथ्स होते, सी इन समर्स क्या होता है, वी स्वेट, हमें बहुत सारी स्वेटिंग होती है, पसीना आता है, राइट. सो दीज कॉटन क्लोथ्स दे एब्जॉर्ब द स्वेट, वो सारा स्वेट एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं एंड दे कीप अस कूल. नाउ द फूड दैट वी ईट इन समर सीजन. अब देखो विंटर रेनी सीजन में हम कॉफ़ी पीते हैं, चाय पीते हैं, भुट्टा खाते हैं, बट इट रेयरली हैपन्स कि हम समर सीजन में ये सब करें बिकॉज वो हॉट से होते हैं. इन समर वी प्रेफर दोज थिंग्स द वन विच कीप अस कूल, जो हमें ठंडा रखती हैं. लाइक वी हैव वाटरमेलन, वी हैव कोकोनट वाटर, वी हैव मस्कमेलन, खरबूजा, मिंट लीव्स. We add mint leaves in different things. Mint क्या होता है, जो mint की ये leaves हैं, we call it पुदीना also. आपने देखा होगा मम्मा इस पुदीने का यूज़ घर पे चटनी बनाती हैं, then she uses them in making shakes या कोई smoothies बनाते हैं because it's very cool. जो mint है वो बहुत ठंडा होता है and when you eat it or when you take it तो आपकी बॉडी में ठंडक आती है. ठीक है, यू फील कूल. देन वी हैव cucumber, curd, lemon water. देन हियर वी हैव शेक्स, मिल्क शेक. गर्मियों में गर्म दूध कोई नहीं पीता, बट उसी दूध को मम्मा आइसक्रीम के साथ मिक्स करके शेक बना देती हैं. वी ऑल एंजॉय हैविंग इट, इजंट इट? देन वी हैव आइस टी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स विद लॉट ऑफ आइस इन इट. मज़ा आता है ना जब ठंडा ठंडी चीज़ें मुंह में जाती हैं. सो इन समर्स वी एंजॉय ईटिंग आइसक्रीम ऑल्सो. नाउ व्हाट आर द एक्टिविटीज़ वी एंजॉय इन समर? रेनी सीजन में तो हम पेपर बोट्स बनाते हैं. समर सीजन में क्या करते हैं? बाहर बारिश नहीं होती तो हम पेपर बोट्स तो नहीं बना सकते. व्हाट वी डू? वी एंजॉय प्लेइंग ऑन द बीच, बीच के पास, समुद्र के किनारे, स्विमिंग पूल में, वाटर के अंदर मज़ा करते हैं. Isn't it? We enjoy playing there. Now class, what you have to do, I have some questions for you all. You have to learn these questions with their answers. So the first question is, what do we enjoy doing in summer season? क्या enjoy करते हैं? We enjoy playing in swimming pool, on the beach, isn't it? Then, what can be seen in the sky when we have both rain and sun together? जब दोनों चीजें होती हैं तो क्या दिखाई देता है हमें स्काई में? Rainbow. Yes, the answer will be we can see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Name the things we use to protect ourselves from rain. Can you tell me the name of those things? Umbrella, raincoat, gumboots, isn't it? What type of clothes we wear in summer season? We wear light cotton clothes. Now, name some fruits we enjoy eating in summer season. Yes, can you tell me the name of some fruits we enjoy eating in summer season? We have watermelon, we have muskmelon, then mango, then what else? Come on, tell me. Strawberries also, they come in summer season. We enjoy making their shakes, isn't it? So these are few things we enjoy eating in summer season. Now, name one activity we enjoy doing in each summer and it's rainy season. Can you tell me that? In summer we enjoy playing in water, and in rainy season we enjoy making paper boats and row them in water. Clear? So class, remember you have to learn all these questions with their answers. Hope you have understood. Bye for now. Take care. Enjoy your learning.